What is up, guys? So today we are going to be unboxing some Rubik's Cubes. We're going to be reviewing some of my Rubik's Cubes that I already have, and I just got some, and I'm going to unbox and review them. And, okay, so, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and look at the ones that I already have. So this is the first one I have in my collection. So you may think this is just a normal Rubik's Cube, but it doesn't turn. I'm gonna let you on in a little secret. It opens. Find where it opens. Okay. So this cube I found at the Jets, and it came with candies inside. Alright. So now we have the second, and well, these are actually all got together. I'm just gonna go in how fascinating they are. So we have the Rubik's brand. We all know this one in love. It's kind of fast. Not the fastest thing in the world though. And then we have the Rubik's Cube, the Z Cube that glows in the dark and it's green. So this is cool. It turns and it does glow in the dark pretty well, but one problem. It turns absolutely horrible. Like, never speed cube on this. Like its corner cutting sucks. Don't speak to one. And here we have the Mega Mix. And you may be asking, JC, why is everything else scrambled? I mean, it is solved, but this isn't. Well, I don't even know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, even though I have a whole freaking collection. And the only way I solve them after I scramble them is with an app called A Solver. And it does come with this version. The one problem, you have to put in all the colors, and the picture kind of sucks on iPad, and you would probably make a mistake, and even if you do, once you got a turn and stuff, you'll make another, and I don't know how to solve it, so yeah. Never scramble a Mega. Okay, so now for the ones that I just got. I'm very excited for these. So we're gonna hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so first we're gonna unbox QY Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure, speed cube. 2x2 speed cube. So I've always wanted a speed cube ever since I had the collection. And I always wanted a 2x2. So let's friggin' tear this thing apart. Because I do not know how to open boxes. Alright. Oh, that's actually pretty darn good. Dang. That's so freaking fast. Wait, how good is the corner cutting? Okay, corner cutting's not that good. But like, other than the corner cutting, like, this cube is so good, bro. Alright, so next up for the, this is the QY Japanese or Chinese speed cube. So I only got the Rubik's brand. And the only reason I'm getting another 3x3 is because this was intentionally made for, I intentionally got this for speed, because it's speed cube. This is just a normal Rubik's brand. Okay, I gotta say, this feels a lot like the 2x2. Yeah, I think it's built the same way. How good is the corner cutting? The corner cutting is actually pretty darn good. It's not the best thing in the world, but... Is it corner twist? Not that good. I wouldn't recommend doing it all the time. I didn't even want to do it completely. I want corner cut on this. Corner twist. I was saying corner cut. It's corner twisting, JC. Man, I love the speed of that 2x2. So now, the pyramids. Wow, that was actually pretty darn easy to open. Oh, got a little turn in the packaging. Is it middle twist? No, it does not middle twist. I'm gonna try to do a solve. I'm gonna try to do a speed test on this. How would one do my speed test on this? By the way, the algorithm for my speed test is you would want to turn it down, and then basically just turn down, left on the bottom, turn down on the top, then right on the bottom, then back on here, and then turn back. That's how you do my speed test. And so now, let's see if I can think of a way to do this on a pyramix. Okay, yeah. Wait. Okay, so, yeah. Okay, I think that's a pretty good way to speed cube. Do a speed test. I don't really like the way that the pyramix turns that much, but that's what it is. Man, I'm just now realizing how much friggin' Rubik's Cubes I have. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Rubik's Cubes. Dang, 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 dang. I love how that would be considered a corner twist on a Rubik's Cube, a regular Rubik's Cube, and now it's just like a normal turn that like is actually used for solving. Yup. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, I think that's a good speed way to do speed test on pyramids. So I got 2 mixes now, and I think they're both by the same company. Yeah. Only thing is that this one doesn't really turn like the other Japanese ones, and it's not really that smooth. But yeah. So I got 2 mixes. I got the Mega Mix and the Pure Mix. And which is my favorite out of my whole Rubik's Cube collection? I'd have to go with either my Pyramix or my 2x2. Like, the Pyramix is just kind of cool. I kind of like the way it turns. Even though earlier I was talking about it, I'm not really liking the way it turns, but I've gotten used to it. And the 2x2 is just so freaking fast, man. Like, bro, why are you so fast? Why are you so fast? My man, why are you so fast? I'm bringing chili. I'm bringing chili. I'm bringing chili. I'm bringing chili. Alright. Man, why are you so fast? Oh, frick. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can... I'm gonna try to do a solve. Alright, okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to learn a little bit of strat on the 2x2. It's actually kind of getting kind of hard. Alright, bye, because I'm gonna go on the ASOLVE app and try to get this solved. And bye.